Hello, my name is Megan Thornton, and I live in Alameda, California, which is near San Francisco. And I, my experience with individuals with autism is fairly limited. I do have a brother who's an adult, 37 or 37, who has Asperger's syndrome. So I have a lot of personal experience with him, but my teaching experience, I taught about 12 or 13 years ago as a resource teacher uh, for students that were on the mild to moderate end of this special needs spectrum, and I didn't teach any students with autism. And now, after raising some kids, I'm getting back into the workforce, and so my experience teaching students with autism is none, and my experience with assessment is similar. I have no experience assessing individuals with autism, but I do have experience doing the academics assessments that I would do for my students' triennial IEPs when I was teaching several years ago. So it was interesting to learn in the readings and looking at the websites about the different assessments, since this was all new information to me. I'm hoping to learn more about the assessments and how to administer any that I would be required to administer as a teacher, and learning more about what kind of a picture they give us and what we can learn from them, whether they're administered by us or they're checklisted by the family or they're administered by medical clinicians. On rainy days, I like to read, and I like to bake, and I like to do yoga. Maybe not in that order. Maybe yoga, then bake, then read. All right.